Good morning, students. Today I will explain about the consolation tournament. It is another type of knockout fixture. In the consolation tournament, each team have got the chance after the elimination, or in other words we can say that when a team is defeated, the committee give another chance to show their skills. There is two types, first type of consolation and second type of consolation. In first type of consolation, first we prepare the fixture for the regular rounds. Suppose number of team 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Number of teams we put here 9 because 8 is very easy. First we divided number of team in upper half. Upper half, number of team in lower half, number of Y's, number of Y's in upper half, number of Y's in lower half. Number of team 9, so number of team in upper half 5, number of team in lower half 4, number of Y's seven, upper half 3 and lower half 4 Y's. It's a very simple method. Number of team in upper half n plus 1 upon 2. So we get 5 teams lower half, n minus 1 upon 2, we get 4. Number of Y's, nearest power of 2 is, for the 9 teams is 16, so 16 minus 9 is 7. 7, so NB minus 1 upon 2, we get 3 Y's in upper half and 4 Y's. So first we distribute the Y, so according to the rule, by Y 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now first round 3 versus 4. Now one thing is very important here, we have to see which team is defeated. Suppose the team number 3 is defeated, so the 3 is eligible for the consolation round, so we write here 3. Now second round, in 1 or 2, 2 is winner. In 4 and 5, 4 is winner, 6 is winner and 9 is winner. Third round, 4 is winner, 9 is winner. 9. Finally, winner team In second round, the team defeated 1 and 3, 5, 7 and 8. Now number of team here, five buys 8 minus 5, 3. First buy go to the 8, second buy and the third buy. In consolation round, again matches will be each other, teams play with each other. One versus 5, 3, 7 versus 8. One is winner, and from here 7 is winner. In consolation round, team number 7 is winner. Is that clear? Student, it's a very simple. In the consolation tournament, first we organize a regular round. Simply, number of teams suppose 9, so we get the number of buys and number of teams in upper half, lower half. So the teams who defeated in the first round, second round and third round, they go to the, or they are eligible for the consolation round. Is clear? 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, these are the teams which are defeated in regular round. So they get the another chance to play the tournament. And the team number 7 is the winner. Now we discuss the second type of consolation round. Fixer, number of teams 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. First is a regular round. In consolation, first round, second round, third round and fourth round. Now, first match between 1 and 2, 1 is winner, 2 is loser. 3 and 4, 3 is winner, 4 is loser. 5 and 6, 5 is winner, 6 is loser. 7, 8, 7 is winner, 8 is loser. Now second round when we start, 1 and versus 3, 1 is winner, 5 versus 7, 5 is winner, and the loser goes to the three and 7. Now 1 versus 5, 1 is winner, and 5 is. Now the consolation round, the first match between 2 and 4, second match 6 and 8. So winner team play with the second round team. Suppose winner is 2 and 6. Now they play among each other. 2 and 3 play. Winner is 3 and winner is 6. In third round, 3 versus 6. 6 is winner. So he play with the defeated team of the third round. 5 versus 6 and 6 is winner. So this is called the consolation type 2. Consolation type 2. So these two type of tournament. Now another method of fixture you see is called the seeding. It's called seeding. Seeding method. So first question is, what is seeding? In any tournament, so many times we see that the strongest team by luck eliminated in the first or second round. The full charm of the tournament is lost. No spectators come to watch the tournament. So avoid to such type of situations, seeding method is used. In this method, the strong teams are selected to keep them at an appropriate place in the fixture. Are you understand? To avoid such situation, we give a specific place to strongest team in a fixture. Is called the seeding. So number of teams we seed in a tournament is not more than 4. Number of seeded teams not more than 4. So only 4 teams will be seeded. Now fixer. Number of teams 11. Number of byes, nearest power is 16, so 16 minus 11, 5. Number of teams in upper half, n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 11 upon 2. 11 plus 1 upon 2 is 6. Number of teams in lower half, n minus 1, number of team minus 1 upon 2, 11 minus upon 2 is 5. Number of byes, upper half now NB, number of byes, minus 1 upon 2, 5 minus 1 upon 2, total 2. Number of byes in lower half, NB plus 1 upon 2, 5 plus 1 upon 2, 3. Number of matches and number of team minus 1, 10 matches. Number of rounds, two into 2 into 2 into 2. Four rounds. Number of seeded teams, 4. Fixer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number of team in upper half, 6. Lower half, 5. Number of byes in upper half, 3. By first of all seeded, number of team we seeding, or by and seed same, because of first we give the by. And seed also. 4 seeded teams, 1, 2, 3, 2 in upper half, strongest, these are the most strongest teams, so we separated in each half, 1, 2, 3 and 4 seeded. Now fixed, now byes, number of byes 5, 2 in upper half and 3 in lower half. Is that clear? Again I will tell you the number of seeded teams. We give a specific place in fixture. So these 4 teams we put in a order that they not meet to each other in early rounds. So the chances of elimination is reduced. First seeding, second seeding, third and fourth. And now we allotted the byes as per the rules. Why? Now draw the fixture. First match, second match, third match. Is that clear? Winner is 2, winner is 4, winner is 8. In second round, the seeded team will play with 2. Now this is the third round. Winner may be 2 or maybe 1. 1, 4, 7, 10. Is semi-final, and in finals 4, 10, and the winner is 10. So it's a very safe method to keep the strongest teams in a tournament till end. So today the main 3 points: consolation type 1, type 2 and consolation type seeding. Are you understand? Okay, bye. Good morning, student again. So the second type of tournament is league tournament. We call round robin or league. In league tournament there is two types: cyclic method and the staircase. So first of all we discuss about the term league. Or in the knockout tournament, if a team defeated, immediately that team eliminated from the tournament. So sometimes it's make a tournament very bore, but in league tournament there is a system: each team play each other. The best example of the league tournament is Indian Premier League. All the teams play among each other. So each team have time to show their skills, their best performance. So it is a very popular nowadays league tournament. First we discuss cyclic method. In cyclic method, number of teams, suppose seven. So first we find the total matches. n minus 1 upon 2. 7 minus 1 upon 2. Total matches 21. Number of rounds n minus 1, 7 minus 1. For even numbers. If the team is here 6, then we apply n minus 1. Otherwise, no need to find out the number of matches in odd number. So odd for odd, n is equal to 7. So 7 rounds. Now fixer. First round, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the number of teams is even, we don't give them by, but in odd numbers we fix the y. Right side, we fix the y right side. So the first match between 7 versus 2, 3 versus 6, 5 versus 4. Round 2, second round, by is fixed. We just bring 1 to down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that clear? In next round, by is at their place. Now 7 come to the down, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 round, by is there. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fifth round, y is 5 is down. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sixth round, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Seventh round, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2. So you understand the method, cyclic method. It's a very easy. Is rotation. It's a rotation method. Now, if the number of matches even, suppose 6. Question 2, number of teams 6. So number of matches 6. 6 minus 1 upon 2. 15 matches total. First round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Second round we keep team number 1 at their own place. 1 is there. Now 6 come to the 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third round 1 stable, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2. Fourth round 1 is stable, 2, 5, 6, 4, 3. And fifth round 1 is stable, 3, 2, 5, 4 and 6 and 4. Number of rounds, and just I will tell you earlier that n minus 1 upon 2 is 5 rounds. For the even numbers No need to apply this formula. So this is called the cyclic method. Is that clear? It's called the cyclic method. Second method is staircase. It is quite easy than the cyclic method. Example, number of teams 9. Fixer, first round, we stable 1, team number 1 is stable in first round, 1 versus 2, 1 versus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you can easily understand that team number 1 play to all the teams, team 2, 3, 4, 5 to 9. Now the round 2, here we fix the team number 2. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Next round, fix the team number 3. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fix the next team. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we fix next team. Six, 7, 8 and 9. Again we fix 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we fix 7, 8, 9. Last is fix 8 and 9. So this is a very simple method to draw fixture for the league tournament. Is called staircase. Now question arises that how we find out the winner in knockout. Simply defeated teams eliminated and the winners team play in the quarterfinals, semi-final and finals. So finally we get the winner. But in league each team play to each other. So method of deciding winner. If a team won the match or winner team get 2 points, loser team 0 points. If a match is draw, 1 points to each other. Is that clear? If the points are equal in case of two teams, a match is held again. but the remains a draw, the team which won the maximum number of matches is declared as the winner. You got the point? If two teams gets equal points, again they played a match, still the match is draw. So the team which won the maximum number of matches is declared as the winner. If still no result is because of both the teams get the number of matches same, won the matches of same, so we decided by the toss. After this, we use another method to find out the winner, is called the British method. Example, total point. Suppose a team play 8 match and he won 6 out of 8. So 2 points for each victory. So 12 points, 6 into 2, 12 points. And 2 matches remains draw. So total point 14. Next is a possible points. Possible points mean if a team won all the matches, the final total will be 16, 8 to the 16 if he won all the matches, but the team wins only 6 matches and 2 draw. For 6 matches, team gets 12 points and for draw 2 points, so total point 16. Now percentage of points. Total points obtained divided by total possible point into 100. परसेंटेज पॉइंट कितना हुआ? द टोटल परसेंटेज पॉइंट्स इज 14 पॉसिबल पॉइंट 16. So winning percentage is 87.5. So this is the method to find out the winner. Another method is American method. American method. In this method, for the percentage matches won, number of matches won by a team, and matches played. Matches won and matches played multiply 100. Its a percentage will be Suppose total match he played 8 and he won 5. 5 upon 8. 5 is the matches won and 8 is the total. So it's a 62.5. This is the winning percentage. So by these two methods, easily we find out the winner. So this is all about the fixture. If you have any query to me, you can call me anytime. Thank you.